All right, this is Cliff from the Grow Agency, and today I'm going to teach you how to put a scheduler in your email templates. That has been very effective for us, and I want to show this to you for free. So this obviously is a demo account with a dummy with one of my old emails that I never use. And what I want to do, I want to compose an email. By composing email, I can propose times. So, make sure your calendar it's synchronized with activities first, because if not, it's not gonna work out. So I want to manage availabilities. I want to add a new availability. How long should each meeting be? 45 minutes, for example. And I want to have time slots on Monday. So, for example, from 9 to 5, I want to have a time slot. Tuesday, 9 to 5. I don't have a designated lunchtime. I just eat whenever I want. But Wednesday, I want to, from 9 to noon and from 1 to 5. And Thursday, noon to 5, Friday, etc. Buffer and time settings. So I want to have some buffers, 15 minutes. That's you don't have to do it, but I feel like it's much better to have some buffers because sometimes you can go a little bit longer with a client. Shortest notice to book you. I don't want people to book me like an hour from now because that's gonna, if I decide to go somewhere else, like I don't want to run back home or call the client and tell them like, look, I can't be there because I'm not home. So I want to at least have a day notice before they can book a time with me. Also, how far in the future can someone book you? I don't want people to book a meeting with me in 6 months. Like they're gonna forget about it. So I like to choose 2 weeks max. All right, continue to meetings. So meeting name, I can choose any name. So discovery, I like to use this year. All with Cliff. These days, it's kind of we all have we meet people from all over the world. So I think it's good to put where you're from. It just makes it more personal. I like it. And if your video call integration is not connected yet, then you should connect a video call integration so that people can have meetings with you via Zoom automatically, or Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. So choose one of these and make sure you integrate everything. If you want people to meet you at the office instead, make sure you put your address. Who would know to meet you here? And it's also going to be pushed into their calendar, into Google Maps. All is going to be done. Company name visible for the invitee. You want to put your company name. You want to choose the type of meeting that's going to be pushed into your system of activity. So, is it a call? Is it a meeting? Is it a task deadline? And here you can also include what fields you want your invitee to fill in. So it could be name, email, phone, um, number of, um, how many employees do you have? And here you can put a required or not. And after you can simply share it as a link. Copy. Or simply insert it to this email. But I don't want that. I want to put this into a template. So what I want to do, I want to go back here, take my availability, copy the link, and put it in a template. So I want to create a new template. So I'm going to manage templates. I'm going to add a new template. name my template. So call out each one. Hey, what's obviously don't use this. Oh, I can insert some fields. So hey, first name, if it's entered correctly in my CRM, book a call with me so I can help you. Or business. And here I want to insert my link. Just copy and paste. Here you go. I can also put it in bold. So now if I send this email, I want to go into a deal first because I want that particular email to be connected with my deal. So I want to go in the deal. Sample, Gita Watson. So email, choose template, cold outreach one. Hey, what's up? Hey, sample, Gita, book a call with me so I can help you with your business. And when people click here, it's gonna bring him directly to the thing that you created. To the how do we call this? The scheduler. To a scheduler. All right. So if you have any questions, don't be shy. Press on the link below, and I can book a call with me. Have a nice day.